My girls' bathroom just upgraded from this to this with the help of this black stainless steel tension rod. Things that I'm loving, super easy to install. It supports up to 30 pounds of weight. It's got the silicone ends with the end caps, so you don't have to drill or use any tools whatsoever. It's stainless steel, rust resistant, and this one goes from 34 to 66 inches. And because it's a 1-inch thick tension rod, I was able to do it all by myself. It wasn't too heavy, but the silicone really held in place with those end caps, and it was literally a matter of just twisting the spring-loaded tension into place, and then it held really well for me. It took me this 10 seconds to do. And let's be honest, shower curtains aren't that fancy, but here's what stands out to me. It's definitely a stainless steel interior, and it's got kind of a powdered matte finish on the exterior. On the end cap slides in. It does have a silicone, pretty grippy feel to it, and this is the part that meets the wall. So you literally just screw that into the ends of the two rods, and then it locks everything in place. It simply took me like a minute. The first piece is about 16 inches, and they literally screw together, locking in place piece by piece. Only one piece has the tension rod, and you literally just follow the directions. This is the spring load on this side, and then once you twist it, it locks and pushes the pressure in place like you saw earlier. There's the 9-inch additional piece as well, just depending on the amount of total length you want on the rod. I will say that as I'm assembling this all feels super durable, no tools needed. Literally, if you can twist, you can do this. It could not be easier. So overall, love that I can install the curtain rod without drilling holes. It's rust resistant in our humid bathrooms, which are quite small. Supports heavier shower curtains up to 30 pounds, so my kids can be a little rough with them, and this is a great solution for renting even my college kids to take with them. Staying in place, holding great, and gives us that modern look we were looking for. Thanks to Stella for sending this over. If this was helpful, please give it a like.